We just recently had our fully student-led STEM Day event.
STEM Day was a one-day event that we did. The purpose of the event was to introduce kids who are new to STEM to different concepts of STEM. We had HTML, microbit, Pirate, Python, Blender, VEX GO, and AI, and then Hexadecimal, and those were the 8 workshops that we did.
This whole event is inspired by VSA Cohorts event last year and SAS 16 hours build. Coming up with this idea, we want to make an event that inspires students and for students.
When I was a kid, I joined one of the TIS summer camps and I actually had a lot of fun. And I believe that there are many kids who would also enjoy the fun of STEM. So the main purpose of STEM Day is to spread this opportunity.
I think it was extremely successful. I was shocked by how many kids came for this. The younger students who attended really enjoyed being taught by the older teenager students. I hope that this ignites some kind of a passion that I had never thought about coding and never got into robotics. I just want to thank them for putting on such an amazing event, and it was really awesome to see students running such a big event.
I just want to say how proud I am of you guys, and honestly I think you're going to go off to do great things. Those late nights where you've had those council meetings and early mornings and all the hours you put in is going to be, it's worth it.